How to use Protos Ascent Goggles. An SD card slot is above the cushion of the goggles. On the right side, favorite button, return button, rec button, linking button. Next, power connector and 3.5mm interface. Foam goggles cushion in a detachable Velcro structure. When removing, put a little more effort into it. Put the new cushion accurately and fit it fully. If you need to install special myoptical lenses by CADDXFPV official, when installation, align the glasses mounting hole with the positioning holes on the goggle frame. Fix them with the matching screws. Power supply. Voltage input 2 to 6S while working voltage 7.2 to 25.6 volts. To ensure the safe and stable operation, recommend to use the official battery. During the flight, the OSD interface will provide you with a number of important parameters. Under normal circumstances, the total battery voltage is twice the voltage of a single cell. Please, before takeoff and during the flight, pay close attention to this numerical relationship. If abnormal total battery voltage is found, please replace the battery immediately and stop using this battery. Please pay special attention that if a single power battery cell voltage smaller than 3.6 volts, land ASAP. If the goggle battery voltage is smaller than 6.4 volts, stop at once. The remote control signal is a negative value. Signal the close to 0, the better. Keep negative 90 in the flight for stable control. Other info: real-time image transmission, bit rate and delay, flight distance, aircraft altitude, flight mode, remaining capacity of the SD card, throttle rate. When you turn on the video function, a regularly blinking red dot will appear, indicating video recording runs normally. In a situation with strong interference, enter the OSD menu by short pressing the 50 button. Green, the channel signal is good. Press the button, select a channel, or choose the auto frequency hopping to select the high quality channel. You can also enter the settings menu, adjust the video's resolution to 720 pixels, make the transmission power up and the frame rate down, and set the bandwidth to auto mode. Via the above adjustment, the anti-interference ability of video transmission can be highly enhanced.